In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run payroll on QuickBooks 2026, step by step. Let's start inside QuickBooks Online. After you sign in, open Payroll from the left menu. If this is your first time, select Get Started to set everything up. Enter your business details, including your employer identification number, your business address, and required tax information. These fields drive filings and calculations, so accuracy matters. Next, begin adding your employees. Enter each person's legal name and address, choose whether they're paid hourly or on a salary, and input their W-4 withholding details. If you can, enable direct deposit by adding bank information. It speeds up payday and reduces manual errors. Before moving on, take a moment to double-check every tax field and pay rate. A careful review now prevents costly corrections later. From there, head to Payroll, then Employees, and choose Add an Employee. Complete the profile with the pay rate, pick the correct pay schedule, weekly, bi-weekly, or whatever your company uses, confirm their tax withholding elections, and add bank details if you're paying by direct deposit. Select Save to lock in those settings so they flow into each pay run. When you're ready to process payroll, open Payroll and choose Run Payroll. Select the pay schedule for this run. For hourly team members, enter their hours for the pay period. For salaried staff, QuickBooks pulls their regular pay automatically. Review the preview carefully, verify gross wages, employee and employer taxes, and any deductions such as benefits or garnishments. If everything looks correct, submit payroll to finalize it. Behind the scenes, QuickBooks calculates federal and state income taxes, Social Security and Medicare, and any other configured deductions for you. Still, it's a good practice to confirm the totals, especially if you've recently changed rates, schedules, or benefits. After payroll is processed, take care of payroll taxes. Go to Taxes, then Payroll Tax to review what's due and when. If your subscription includes automatic payments and filings, you'll be able to confirm and let QuickBooks handle them. If not, use the Pay option to send what's owed promptly and keep your accounts compliant. Finally, capture your records. In Reports, search for Payroll Summary for a high-level snapshot, Payroll Details for an employee-by-employee breakdown, and the Tax Liability Report to see upcoming obligations. Download or print what you need for management, audits, or your accountant. That's the workflow. Set up payroll, add employees, run payroll, pay taxes, and pull reports. Keep your company and